Hi guys and girls and people. Okay, in the last one I told you that we'll be doing something which is very important and relevant for aerospace people because they'll be designing airfoils, and from those airfoils you'll be getting your wings. But let me make it very clear, it's just not exclusively directly related to the aerospace what we are about to do now. It's widely accepted in the other fields as well. Okay. Uh, so let's quickly use a view. I think we would need, okay, that's fine. Now we're gonna make a circle. So we would have our center of the circle at the origin with z-axis being the center axis of the circle. Let's apply and close. So you have circle 1. Now let's make another circle on top of it. So same center and then OZ, and then you make it 150, maybe, apply and close, right? Now on top of it we'll draw a very tiny circle, maybe of 50, right? And then, oh, let's, yeah, it's fine. So radius 50, and then we have 0, and then vector as your this, apply and close. Okay, so now you can see you have 3 circles, right? So let's just rename this quickly. Smallest, right? Bigger, and then you have circle. No problem. Now just to let you guys see, they are lying in the same plane, right? So what we're gonna be doing now is we're gonna be translating them one by one. Okay, so let's translate the bigger one. Let's translate the bigger one by a dimension of 100. Okay, apply and close. Wait a moment, we didn't want to move it in the x direction, rather we wanted it to be moved into z direction. So just delete the last thing which we did, and then we have bigger circle. Okay, let's translate bigger circle again, and we want it to be translated by 50. Yeah, apply and close. Okay, and then what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be moving the circle as well by 100, apply and close. Okay, so now you have 3 curves. Now why did we need curves? Basically we'll be doing filling today, right? Creative filling. So it says input contours, so you need to have contours, right? So this is one contour, this is 2. Okay, let's see how to do the filling. So you have to select the contours, translation 1 and translation 2. So this is what you get as a resulting shell, right? Shell or a face, whatever you want to call it, right? In case if you were selecting the circle as well, then this is what you get. Okay, let's just do one thing. What we are gonna do is we're gonna make 2 fillings. First one we'll be using that and that. Okay, so let's go to the filling and see what do we get. So this is what we've got, apply and close, right? And now second, just turn this off. For the second bit, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be using all these 3, right? So for that we'll be using smallest, translation, and that, and then go to the filling. So this is what you get, apply and close. Now you see, if we are choosing 3, if we are choosing 3 contours, then we are getting a curved shape, and if we are choosing just 2 contours, then we are not really getting any curved shape, we are just getting this. Right now, why this is happening is because in the filling you have your minimum degree set, maximum degree set, tolerance, 2D, 3D, and these are the three methods which you can use. You can play with them, but in case if you're just using two contours to get your filling, so that's not gonna make any difference. So you can play with this, but I think most of the times you don't even have to touch these ones. You just go with the standard behavior, which is default setting, right? So that's pretty much it for the filling. So I hope it's clear now how filling is done. So you need to just remember one thing. You can only create a filling if you have a contour. Contour means closed curve or a closed edge, right? Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next one.